Cause I don't know what y'all gonna say, like, okay, it's good. But listen, I ain't never did a wig in my life. Do you understand me? Never did a wig in my life. And I think I'm really feeling it more than I did the first time because it really looks natural.
Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want from me. Take a look at what you see. Let me know if it's right here. Something you can have for a year. Tell me what you want from me. Take a look at what you see. Let me know if it's right here. Something you can
Ooh. Girl, you look cute. Okay.
Now this is just the packaging of the wig, and mind you guys, I've already put this wig on prior to making this video, so please excuse me for not being able to show you the wig fresh out of the pack. This is the back of the wig. It comes with one clip and it also gives you a band to tighten it. Perfect for the girls with the small heads. And also the front of the wig has two clips, one on each side of your part. And again, excuse my part, I've already put this wig on, so that's why you see the brown spots. Now I'm just going to pluck the part. The part didn't need that much plucking, but this is my first time doing a wig, and I'm just doing the process of what I see other women do when they're putting their wigs on. I think it made a slight difference, so that's all I'm doing right here. And I chose to use my fingers because I couldn't get a great grip on the tweezers while I was plucking. So it's up to you. Here I began to cut the baby hairs. I realized after applying the wig I didn't need to do that because I ended up not using the baby hairs. I used my own, but it's up to you all again.
Make it rapping anything I need. Gotta have it, bet I'm gonna grab it. Ain't nothing better than the satisfaction.
Hey, most girls probably would've walked out on me by now. Yeah. Most girls probably would've slashed my tires by now. No, that is true. Most girls probably would've posted our business on the ground. Yeah. Most girls.
First of all, I know I ain't no expert. Excuse my tongue, y'all. I had some coffee this morning. But I know I ain't no expert and I'm like that. Wait. Man, look. But listen, I ain't never did a wig in my life. Do you understand me? Never did a wig in my life. And you know, that can always be, see? Okay. I just want to say, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Period. Oh, girl, you look cute. Okay. Hi. Hey. Ooh. Hey. Okay, you guys, I am back, and as you can see, I have a different look. So my plan was to do a tutorial on the wig, and that was that. But I didn't have time to finish it, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna come back and get them an update and a review on the wig, you know, a real review, because when you first take the hair out the back, it's definitely gonna be flowing. But as days go on, and plus it's synthetic, you're definitely gonna see a difference, and I want to keep it 100 with you all, okay? So with that being said, this is my third day. I noticed during the day it was losing its luster. I don't know why. I think I'm gonna say, because I don't want to downplay the company, I don't want to give it a bad name, but I think because I added some dry shampoo to it. I did that because I heard that the dry shampoo gets rid of some of the shine, and with synthetic hair, your hair is really shiny. And I think if you go back, you will see the difference of when I first put it on and now it's not as shiny. I think it looks a lot more natural, especially on camera. So I think that could have been the case for the luster leaving so soon. I feel that I didn't need to cut any baby hairs because this wig, I don't think you need that. All you need to do is just leave out your hair like I did today. I just left that out. I still haven't glued it down, and I actually could have laid my edges just so it can blend in case the wind blows. But yeah, you don't need to do anything but pluck it, make the part a little more natural. I'll say that with this wig, no plucking other than the part. That's it. This hair doesn't have a lot of hair. It's not as much hair as I like, and I love my hair full, okay? And it's like right in the front, you see? Like right there. And I went through the wig because I thought it was because I plucked it and I did the baby hairs, but I went through the wig and there are some short pieces like right up here that could have created more fullness, but they're cut, and I don't know if this was a bad batch or is that part of the manufacturing. I don't know. I wouldn't know unless I got another wig, and if I do, I would ask to open it and go throughout the tracks to see. So I'll give you an update on that as well. I think this hair is really good for the price. I don't want to scare you on to not buying it. It's really good. I like it. And if you're good with maintaining your hair and taking care of your hair, I think this is a perfect wig for you. It's definitely not an everyday wig because you don't want it to get matted, and I think that wearing this every day is not gonna look good. But for special events every other day, consecutive days, go for it. I haven't put any heat on it since I wore it, so I want to see if that'll create a difference, and I wanted to do that on camera, so let's do it. And instead, let's see how bouncy it is without it. Okay. We see that, you know how we do. Huh? What? The highest temperature you can put on this hair is 400, and I like my hair 455, so I definitely went to 400. I'm gonna go to the maximum, not the minimum. Okay, get your hair clipped. Boom.
Probably would've fucked off on me by now. Most girls would've smashed up my phone by now. Most girls would never hold me down, baby girl, like you do.
So I think the front iron created a slight difference. I want to turn it up. But I still want to get a few wears out of this, and I want to burn my hair. Can we say it look better before I front iron? But you see, that irks me. I hate being here. That's the only part that bothers me. But at least I'm keeping it 100 with y'all. You got to. So nobody getting hair that they don't like. But it looks really good. I think I'm really feeling it more than I did the first time because it really looks natural. I could say that much. I think it just I done already tucked it. If that bothers you, I think, because I was doing that throughout the day, my first day wearing it, because that was starting to irritate me.
And I don't mean no harm. You so in love with my charm. Your girl still
You don't gotta worry about your hair in your face.